Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure you have admin rights and know your installed RAM. This matters because virtual memory ties to physical capacity. Once done, close large applications to avoid conflicts. Open System Settings, right-click this PC, Properties, Advanced System Settings, Performance Settings, Advanced tab, Virtual Memory Change. Decide between System Managed or a custom size. Custom gives control, System Managed is safe. Make a note of current values. You may need them later when reversing changes. Now you configure the page file values. If you chose Custom, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Pick the drive, preferably an SSD for speed, and enter an initial size and maximum size. A common guideline is 5 times RAM for initial and up to 3 times for maximum, but tailor to available disk space. Click Set, then OK. Reboot so Windows applies changes. After restart, monitor performance and disk activity to confirm the new virtual RAM behaves as expected. Finish by validating system stability. Run your typical workloads and watch Task Manager's memory and disk columns. If you encounter slowdowns or frequent disk thrashing, make sure you did not overcommit a small SSD, reduce the maximum page file, or move it to a larger drive. If errors occur, revert to System Managed Page File temporarily. Open Event Viewer to find page file or memory warnings that point to causes. Finally, keep backups and adjust sizes iteratively until performance and disk health are balanced.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.